When you click the Reposition Ad button, you'll notice that the trim tool has been significantly redesigned. You still have the preview of the ad in the center of the application, but all of the tools and information have been moved to the right panel. You'll see some of the same familiar tools, like the ability to move your page, move your canvas, and zoom. However, we also have a variable zoom slider, which will allow you to quickly zoom in and out of your image. You can toggle center lines on, which will show you the center of the ad spec. We still have the positions steppers that you're accustomed to, so you can just click these to slightly move an image. You can also type in a value here. We have the ability to scale an image up or down. Now that depends on the publisher settings, so this option may or may not appear. You also need to be very careful with the scaling option. Generally, you should not scale up your image more than a couple of percent so that you don't trigger a low res warning. We are going to pre-flight this ad after we trim it, so be mindful of that. Finally, there's an advanced editing that may appear depending on the package of options that your publisher offers. What you can do is hit Add New Text and type in something here. Now this is primarily intended for reader service numbers. You'll notice that it just positions this text on the page somewhere. You have the option to change the text so it's black, rich black, or the paper color. You can also change the size. Generally these are quite small. And you can change the position, obviously. So you can use the steppers to do that. You can type in a value here, or use those steppers if you wish to position. I'll put it there towards the center, and I can zoom in to take a closer look at it. I'm going to lock the image just to make sure I don't accidentally move it around now that I'm happy with my position and my scaling. There it is. It might be a bit large, so let me bump that down a bit and reposition it again slightly. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I will zoom back out just to get one more glance at the whole thing. Looks like I'm okay. I've got a white border all around. My trim appears out here. I think I'm good. I'm going to hit trim and save. And that will make all of my alterations for me. Okay, the ad has finished pre-flighting, and if I go to my 100% view here, we can take a look and see that my reader service number was added down here at the bottom.